notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much and God bless you. So my people, my beloved people, today matter na about this man. They come out for social media and talk say his wife don't pursue and come for house. He happen for UK. Now for UK, now it for happen. The man a Nigerian man. He say his wife they don't pursue and come for house. Say his wife, they do anything. Say now they do everything for the woman. Now they do everything for the house. Now they pay everything for the house. So say the woman want finish am. So he say he thank God say finally the life don't end, everything don't end like that, life don't end like that. So now say he just they come back from work when the tea happen, just they come back from work. So just they come back from work. Now the thing happen. My country people, my beloved people. So now say the woman call police and he too come still call police. Now they come pursue and come for the house. The man is say thank God, he's very happy, say that kind see happen, say now you can't get your peace of mind. So my beloved people, so the matter may you can't dey there now be say now I can't dey yet say now say the man he leave his wife, his housewife, go meet side chick because of documents, because say they don't get documents. This is why I say most of us we need to get patience. I know say the length may be say most of men take they find documents. The length really high well. Some men really not get, they not just get patient at all to bear that would they give the woman punishment. All their now to go outside, to give the woman punishment, go outside, go give another woman belle. They just see the one may just get documents, you don't finish, maga. This one may dey house, they no one get patient for her. See, nobody can tell tomorrow, nobody can program tomorrow, only God know tomorrow. They say this man leave his wife, go meet side chick for house 8 years ago. Now the side chick now he can see fuck am up right now. Say he leave his wife and the children made they born together. He leave them for house, go meet side chick. Say this man no fit get patient to wait make they get documents. This man leave them for there. The appointments, they give the appointments. If they give the appointments, the man no they agree follow them, they go. The man leave them, abandon the name, say he want to go meet his side chick. Now so my country people, now so now. So the woman now, they say the woman don't get documents. The woman and the children and her children don't get documents now. The woman don't marry another man. This man now, he knows till today. The man never still get documents. See. All he might say that time say if you just go waka me this one now, I go give am documents. They say the man, this side chick now, you no even born for this man self. You no born for her. As I even they hear for news now, they see for news say this man he get health issue, he don't get health issue. This man don't get health issue. Maybe probably that is why I say that is why the woman can't abandon the man right now. He can't pursue and come on for the house. My beloved people, this thing men they not really they get patience. This thing men they do really not good. They say those days maybe say they will abandon their wife, they go abandon them and their children, they go abandon them for house. maybe the woman go really dey wait after 5 years they go come now. If they come they come mean say the woman don train the children alone, don suffer, don eat amala, eat ewedu, suffer. They go come that time, they go come chop, they go come that time make they come chop for the children benefits. But the time for them to train the kids alone, to train them along, they will refuse, say they not really follow the woman train them. Now, I thank God say most of our women, they don't wise up. They don't wise up. If you leave woman, you no wait for you again. You no fit wait for you. No fit wait say only her go dey suffer, dey chop amala, dey wait. Only her go dey train the children alone. E no easy to train children alone. Now, this man now, the side chick, he don't frustrate am now. The side chick now, he don't push am come out. The side chick don't pursue am come out. He don't pursue am come out. Oh. They say he no born. The man say the side chick no give birth for am. He no give birth. Say now they do everything for the house. Say the side chick no dey let her carry his friends come the house make dem dey. Now he dey even dey pay the house rent. Shey na dey see am so. They say now he dey pay the house rent. But if to say he get patience, wait for that his first wife, shey e for good, e for better pass this one today now. Those ones now they don't get documents, and the lady she don't forward her life. She don't marry another man. Now you can't leave her husband now, can't follow man, may abandon her with children, give her suffer. He no gree make them trade the children together. He leave her, abandon her, make sure they trade the children alone. Hey, my country people, after 8 years, now this one can come out. Why I bring this matter here? Make we use our name, make we dey learn. Make we dey learn. Mostly our African men. This man na Yoruba man, na he be. Take our men dey learn. Make them know how to get patience. Make them dey get patience. This man that time, this man now, if to say that time say he waits, pray to God. May God give them documents. If for today now, if for better pass this one now, come social media now, come they talk for social media. My advice to other people, make them not make the same mistake. Make this man made, mostly men. This topic now for the men. No learn how to they get patience. No learn how to they get patient, because everybody gets you for body. Nobody, no, they know they see who good pass, who better pass. Nobody get better. Nobody go come out or say na go pass. Everybody gets you for body. Now, so my beloved people, please, I beg you, fit drop your opinion. Just drop anyhow you think for this matter. Drop am for the comments section so that I will know what you still think. Thank you so much and God bless you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel Judy. Share my video, like. Thank you so much and God bless you.